What are you doing April 28th through 30th? Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix, world champion of public speaking. If you're a Toastmaster in Oklahoma D16, you simply must join us for the upcoming district conference. Join us at the Renaissance Waterford in Oklahoma City. We're going to have a fun, action-packed event, and not only will we have fun, but you'll get insights that you may have never gotten if you didn't join us. On Friday night, I'm going to host a clean comedy night called Just for Laughs. We're going to laugh about Toastmasters, laugh about life, and just get to know each other better. Let's come on down and have some fun. On Saturday morning, I'm going to cover 17 minutes to your dream. How to become the speaker or leader that everyone's talking about, that everyone loves to follow. It's based on a brand new book that just came out. Join us for that. In the afternoon, we're going to do Secrets of Storytelling, storytelling for leaders and speakers. You're going to walk away with 3 secrets that I never knew in my 7 years as Toastmasters when I just began. And then it was a game changer. In fact, I bombed at a comedy club in Boston in 1992. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. And now I'm coming to you. I was invited to be one of your presenters at this amazing event. In fact, I was part of District 16 for many years. I'm looking forward to coming back home. The theme for this year's conference? Connections. Join us live, join us virtually, but join us April 28th through 30th at the Renaissance Waterford in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I look forward to coming home again. See you soon. Join us.
Check out StagetimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.